We'll guide you through how to use outfit codes in Roblox. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you've been given an outfit code, this is different from a usual Roblox item. And to go and use an outfit code is actually for a specific game. So what you need to do is go and search for a game called Catalog Avatar Creator. So all you need to do is type it in, Catalog Avatar Creator, just like so, and search for it in experiences. And this is the game you're looking for. Go and click on it and go and click on play. I'll see you once we're inside the game. We're now in Catalog Avatar Creator, and what you need to do is go over to the left to Community Outfits, and then what you want to do is go into one of these categories. So for example, I'll go and click on Most Popular. And then all you need to do is go down to the bottom left here, and we've got the option for outfit code. And that's where you need to go and enter in the code. I've got a code which I'll go and enter in now, like so, and press enter. It will then say loading outfit, and here it is. Then what you can do is save it to Roblox, or if you want to go and see how it's going to go and look, go and click where, like so, and it will then be applied to you just in the game though. It won't be in other games, just this one. And that's it. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.